as an added qualification edge. Global database users can explore stakeholders' digital insights in the Company Overview section. This preview must be used to understand your prospect's audience and help you build a customized outreach strategy, especially if you're in the digital marketing business. The first metric you'll be exposed to is the stakeholders' monthly traffic for the last 10 months. Commonly, this metric exposes online business effectiveness at attracting an audience. And if you're a digital agency, this might serve as a qualification data point when targeting prospects. Moving forward, the overview screens the number of unique visitors in the last 6 months, stakeholders' Alexa and similar web ranks, as well as traffic sources. Further, you can explore averages such as page views, time on site, as well as websites' bounce rate. A bit below, you can view your stakeholders' top organic keywords, referral partners, and traffic divided by countries. All these details can help you understand what value you can deliver as a digital marketer and could help aid building a pain relief-focused proposal. Combine that with the used technology insights, and you'll know how to build not only strategic approaches, but deliver digital marketing optimization proposals from the technology perspective. Overall, the Digital Insights section has a threefold purpose: deliver a secondary qualification edge, supply a digital stack of your stakeholder, and serve as a customer pain map that helps you close account-focused deals.